The press conference for the National Symposium on Threats of Heritage Exploring Traditional Textiles and Natural Fibers was organized by the College of Community Science, Central Agriculture University, Imphal, Tura, Meghalaya, in collaboration with ICAR National Institute of Natural Fiber and Engineering Technology, Kolkata, and ICAR Central Institute for Jute and Allied Fibers, Barakpur, Kolkata today. Speaking at the press conference, the Dean of the College of Community Science, Tura, Jyoti Vastrat, highlighted the importance of rich heritage of traditional textiles and natural fibers, their sustainable practices and innovations for a brighter future in the region, so that it will bring together with researchers, academicians, artisans and policy makers from across the nation. And now for the weather report. First,